In this video, I'll guide you through how to download an invoice from Amazon. Whether you need it for personal records, reimbursements, or bookkeeping, getting your invoice is a straightforward process. Let's jump right in. To get started, open your preferred web browser and head over to Amazon's website by typing amazon.com into the address bar. Once the page loads, make sure you're logged into your account. If you're not logged in, go ahead and enter your email and password to access your account. Being logged in is essential because the invoices are linked to your specific orders. Now that you're on Amazon's homepage, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here you'll see a section labeled Account and Lists. Give that a click. This will take you to a page that serves as a hub for all your account settings and options, which includes your orders. Once you're on the Account and Lists page, look for the Your Orders button. Clicking this will redirect you to a list of all your past purchases. Now, this is where you can find the specific order for which you need an invoice. You can either scroll through your orders or use the search bar to find a particular item if you have a lot of past purchases. Once you've located the order you need an invoice for, you'll notice a small button or link labeled Invoice next to the order details. Clicking this will bring up the invoice for that specific purchase. This invoice includes critical information such as the purchase date, item details, quantities, and prices. It's exactly what you'll need for your records or any official documentation. Finally, you'll want to download the invoice to keep it on your device. Most web browsers have an option to download or save documents directly. Look for a download button or find an option within the browser menu to save the page as a PDF. This way, you have a copy stored securely on your computer or device. And there you have it. You've successfully downloaded an invoice from Amazon. This simple process ensures you always have access to your purchase records, which can be incredibly useful for a variety of needs. Remember, keeping digital copies of your invoices is a good practice for staying organized, especially when it comes to managing finances or business expenses. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.